Do you still use rebar for concrete reinforcement? Are you still having difficulty working with concrete? There are two ways of doing construction, the conventional way and a new way. Conventional reinforced concrete. Normally, a company would build a base structure with rebars tied by multiple people. Then concrete is finely poured, which takes a lot of manpower, time, and cost. It is the same for roads or tunnels. However, there is a new and improved way using Bundrex, steel fiber reinforced concrete. There is no need for rebar reinforcement. Instead, you put proper steel fibers in concrete for not only flooring, but also deep and shallow tunnels, with much less manpower. It will be able to save cost and time. Easier, faster, economic. Why Bundrex? Advantages of Bundrex. Bundrex has its own factory that produces wire rod and steel fiber. Products are produced as soon as an order is placed. After research and factory testing, Bundrex customers receive products that save them both time and money without sacrificing quality. Our streamlined production method will improve both customers and worker satisfaction. Many businesses struggle to figure out the optimal cost-saving balance between the amount of concrete and steel fiber. So Bundrex made the Speed Pro program. What is Speed Pro? Speed Pro is an automated ordering application. When a user inputs the design information of a project, the program automatically calculates the optimal amount of steel fiber to be ordered that can save cost, manpower, and time. Structural design on time, customized solution, economic feasibility analysis. Only Bundrex. Bundrex products. There are three types of Bundrex: hooked in, prime, and arched. Hooked in is the same as conventional steel fiber. Prime has higher tensile strength. Arched, 20% improved over conventional steel fiber. When a concrete crack occurs, the arched type keeps the tensile strength longer than the conventional type. Bundrex everywhere in your life. Slab on grade, slab on pile, bridge deck, floor slab, pile cast in place, tunnel lining, Bundrex to the world. Bundrex, the smart solution for all your reinforcement.